Alrighty, good morning. It's Don't Play Trent. Fix my camera. Oh man, I'm looking at these charts and charts are going crazy right now. But it's Don't Play Trent. I'm checking in live once again with another live trading. We're gonna jump straight into it because I'm kind of behind and running a little bit late in a sense. But need to show you guys what we see. Yeah, the market's already dropping. I kind of wanted to get into a sell at this 250 bank level. But I'm running behind. Let me add the team so the team can see what we're doing. Let me see. Share entire screen, screen 2. All right, so the other chats are in sales currently at the moment. We broke this trend line, so I would kind of anticipate it to also sell. It's our 2-minute warning. But who knows how this market is looking. But I think I want to get into a sale, honestly, right now before this market opens. Let's see how we're looking. Or should we just wait until the open? But let's see how we look. Good morning. Morning, everybody that's hopping on Saturday. So I'm looking. Damn, this do look like a good area to buy from though. So we kind of like in a tricky fucking area. We broke this trend line. We got a lot of momentum going to the downside, but we are like at a buyer zone as well. The other chats are in sales. Honestly, I hate fucking taking sales on ass. I fucking hate taking sales on ass. But we are at like a great fucking area to buy from as well. We're at the bank level. Let's see what the fucking. I think I'm finna enter a sell. Fuck it. I don't enter the sale and get my ass toasted though. Right on the open, I get the meanest fucking but then again, yeah, this may be looking like a buy. I ain't gonna bullshit. Damn, look at this 5-minute candle. We gotta see how this bitch closes. But this 5-minute candle can close like this, bullish engulfing like that. Then it's gonna be buy. Yes, sir. Oh, look at the okay. So I think we gonna see. So we might be heading towards the sales. If we can come back under the bank level, we head towards the sales. But that is a beautiful fucking 5-minute buyer's candle. I think this could be the damn. Look at the bullish engulfing right here on a 3-minute too. I would not be surprised if we started to buy though. I feel like I'm indecisive. I think I'm gonna take the sell. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take the sell. So I'm gonna take the sell. If I get burnt, I get burnt. But I think we could, if we come back up over this 300, then I'll buy. But how it looks like the market could keep potentially dropping. I feel like I'm rushing though. I couldn't even do my top-down analysis the way I needed to. Yeah. Damn, look at me already fucking $90. Damn, this sucks. I knew it. I fucking knew it, bro. I fucking knew it. We gonna see. If we close over this 300, I'm molded. I'm fucking molded. Oh my gosh. Look at this shit. Get out of these fucking sales, bro. There's still time to get out of these fucking sales. Every time I take a fucking sale, I get smoked. Hold on, we might be waking up. We'll see. You close inside this green, bro. You dealt with. You close inside this green Bollinger Bands. This is like the last area of resistance. If we don't fucking wick off and continue to drop, get out of these fucking sales, Trent. Don't do yourself like that. You're already down 90 fucking dollars 1 minute into the fucking open. 2 minutes into the open. Get out of the fucking sales, bro. Get out of the fucking sales, bro. Get out of the fucking sales. Everything pointed to fucking buys, bro, and I still took the fucking sale. Let me get back. What the fuck? Why is it not letting me close all fucking orders, bro? Damn, I hate when Liquid does this dumbass shit, bro. Now get your ass back in for the buys, bro. Now, this is why yeah, beautiful fucking area to buy from, bro, and I took the fucking sale. And then get into a buy way here at the top just to be right back in the negative. Just poor execution so far. I seen the 3 minute bullish. What, I don't know what made me take the sell. I honestly don't. I know what made me take the sell, but I'm not gonna say it. But it's cool. You can get this bitch back. If this bitch continues to buy, I'ma scale in. Okay, delete all these fucking. It's time to delete shit. How many entries do I have in? 3, 6, 7 entries. $100 account. Fucking lost 200 fucking and $200. No, 100 and something dollars. We got into this shitty ass fucking buy. Just desperate ass buy I just got into. So we break this trend line up here, we'll scale in. But I'm talking about, I cannot believe I just fucking did that. That dumbass shit. Listening to this fucking nigga, dog. I think that's like my biggest downfall is listening to other fucking traders. That's why I stopped following all these niggas. I ain't gonna lie. Like, bro, you just listen to yourself. You make so much fucking more money. But I think the market just came down to grab liquidity because I caught this buy from yesterday on the open, took it up to the bank level and got out. Market literally comes right back down to 30,250, tests it, wicks off of it, and pushes in the opposite direction. My dumbass takes a sell at the open, thinking it's just going to spike down. Thinking that bitch gonna spike down. And it gives me every indication that we're gonna buy. Look at the fucking 5-minute bullish engulfing, followed by the 3-minute bullish engulfing, followed by the transition on the 1-minute fucking chart. Everything told me to buy here, and I fucking sold. But we ain't tripping though, cause I'm about to scale into this motherfucking entry and continue to take the buys up the moment we cross this fucking trend line. A lot of resistance here in this area. It's also an area to be careful. Oh, I don't even have that fucking trend line no more. Come on, man. There we go. Here we go. Bro, talk about being fucking liquidity. I was liquidity this morning. It's 10 minutes to close beautifully. Where we at? I think I'm gonna close out. If we can push back up here, I'm gonna close out and just grab my little profit and try to get back in for a better entry. Cause this entry I got was trash. Trash fucking entry. Yeah, we come up here and we can touch this trend line. I'm gonna close out, get back in, pull a perk, add profit, get back in. It's struggling at this fucking Bollinger Band, so 10-minute candle closes over the middle Bollinger Band, so that's decent. This 15-minute candle. I said this is diabolical trading to start Monday off. I think I'm about to get out of these fucking buys. I don't like my entry. I don't like my entry on this bitch. I want to kind of get out of this trend line. kind of like reevaluate. Yeah, fuck it. I'm getting out of these trades, man. I don't like my entry on these motherfuckers. Got out of those buys. I just bought at the worst. Not revenge trading, but kind of revenge trading. In a sense. I knew it was gonna go up, but my entry was terrible. I got in like somewhere up here. Only 15 minutes until the open, and all right, so my account is at 109. Let's see what we got to fucking see what we can do to build this bitch back up. Um, nigga. The market is like cooling off. I'm trying to really find direction of where it wants to go. We are rejecting this area up here. So, I mean, I wouldn't be, we gonna see. We gonna see for sure. I said, we're struggling at this fucking metal Bollinger Bands. And I wouldn't be surprised if the market still wants to sell off. Maybe it just wasn't ready yet. The market likes to do that in the open, go in the opposite direction, and then after a little bit of time goes in the direction that it wants to go in. But yeah, right now we just gotta sit on our hands and kind of wait for price to get to an area of interest. Which is I'm glad I got out those buys and just went ahead and closed the trade because like I said, I wasn't happy with my entry. I kind of entered off of impulse and kind of revenge trading in a sense because I got smoked on these sales when I kind of knew to not take this. So me talking out loud and saying everything that I see and still went against that. This is why you gotta like go with your own fucking gut. But the other chats are in buys right now. No, they're in sales. So the other chat called sales here, which gave me the confidence to take the sale, even though internally, like I didn't really want to take the sale because I've seen all of this price action with the 3-minute closing bullish, the 1 minute having a transition, the 5-minute closing in a bullish engulfing candle. It was like everything was showing. And this is right before 9:30. So it's like, bro, to see that and to still go against that, this didn't make sense. So the market has a couple different options that I'm seeing. If we break this little mini trend line, I can get back in for the buys. We've already made the all-time high from last night and touched 30,500. So maybe we can continue to push to the next one. 30,750, which is probably gonna be my TP. for these particular entries. And then once we get to 30,500, I'll scale in again. But I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom. I'm detoxing like a motherfucker. So I'll be right back. Yay. All right, man. Point is back. Another bottle of water. This is like my third bottle of water this morning. Yeah, we are still struggling at this trend line. We are still fucking struggling at this trend line. Now maybe the market's not ready yet. We are at a minor bank level, 30,400. But if we reject from this trend line, I think we're gonna sell. Obviously, I'm gonna wait for extra confirmation and make sure we get back to this 30,250 bank level before I take the sell. Because you could take a sell now because we're rejecting from this trend line. So it would be like a high risk entry in a sense, get in for a light position. Maybe your stop loss like right above here. I can see something like this. But we are on an uptrend on the lower time frames. So we got the lower low here, then we got the break of structure. And now we're like consolidating in this area. But I'm not gonna take it. Like I said, it is a high risk entry to take a sell right here. Because the market could just be stalling, waiting until like maybe 10 o'clock or something, and then continue to push up. But look at the wicks that are coming off on the 15-minute chart, showing signs of exhaustion. Like I said, this is why there could be a high risk sell in this area. Boy, I know the other chats are getting cooked. We all took sales. I followed they ass, but I closed out kind of late. But I closed out. Fuck that. I'll look for another entry to get back in. Even with $100, I have $109. Liquid will probably allow me to put in maybe 7 to 8 entries, and this is what I'm talking about. Here's a sell forming right now. Looks like we are about to go back into the downtrend. This could just be the higher, the lower high being created to come back down to make the lower low. Yeah, he just called. They just got into another sell. Yeah, they just took another sell, which lets me know that I'm seeing the right thing in a sense. Other chats are also looking at sales here in this direction. I said I think I'm gonna get in light position. It's 5 entries, what I consider light. 5 entries total. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And stop loss will be literally right above this high. Will be stop loss here. Let's put an alert on it. Well, that's everything is now pointing towards. I think we were just early, like the initial sell. I think we were just maybe early, but the way the market is forming, came back up to this trend line, couldn't break it. Yeah, I went ahead and took a sell, a light position, just because I'm really not happy with the area. I feel like I'm still kind of in the middle. Well, once we come back near this 30,250 bank level, I'll go ahead and add more entries if we can get down here. We're $1 in profit. $1. So now we got to get back at least to 200. You know, that's what we started our day with. But I think I would like for price to come back down to test 30,000. So that's gonna be my TP. We tested 250, bought off of it, and then I think when we tank, we're gonna tank down to 30,000. And that's just my opinion. But we are dropping nicely. And then at 10 a.m. this 4 o'clock, this 4 a.m. I keep saying 4 a.m. This 4-hour candle is gonna close at 10 o'clock, and you can even see 10 o'clock. The last 4-hour candle closed with a kind of a bearish engulfing. So this 4-hour candle could be the continuation. And the next one, I think we may come down and test 30,000 before continuing to go up. That's my analysis. That is my analysis. Beautiful rejection. Look at the 30-minute rejection. Now we do got a lot of fucking support before we even get to 30,000, which is here, this area. But look at the 15-minute green Bollinger Bands lines up right up under the 30,000. So these yellow circles are just potential areas of reversals, support zones. 10 minutes here. I'm not going to have all of these on the charts because it kind of gets messy. But I said these are all little areas Either way, I'm still probably gonna hold to 30,000. I'll probably scale out though as we get towards these support levels. I'll start closing like entries, small entries, just to get some of my damn profit back. What does the daily look like? Yeah, the daily looks beautiful right now. Oh no. That is the first of the month. First of the first day of the week. It's a lot of firsts. That's $15 in profit. This is why it's like so important to adjust, like me getting out of those initial buys. One, I didn't like the entry. I didn't like the buys that I was in. That's why I got out of them hoes. Two, market started to show me that it did not want to continue to push up with the rejections coming off of this trend line here. You got 2 minutes until the 10 a.m. candle, but this 9 a.m. candle close. Brother, your mic loud, brother. What's up? Raw Ray, your shit loud, brother. Yeah, just so you know, you good though. Okay, now I see we're pushing. We're pushing. I think I'm gonna enter on my fucking funded account, which I haven't traded in like forever. Yeah, I have not traded this motherfucker in forever. I don't even care to even trade that bitch. Let's see. All right, this is another area that's gonna be tricky at 7 seconds. See how this bitch closes. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. So I can't say that I think I like the way that closed. I like the way that closed. I think we're just coming up for a small retest, but I think we're gonna continue to push. Continue to push down. And I think I'm gonna enter on my down funded account or sell. Trade. Is this $1 or is this like? Like a motherfucker. Yo, what's up, brother? Down with a couple. Going on. It's the part I want to see right here. You look at 3 hours, she break that cloud, touch that red moving average. Or she bounce off that. Oh wow. Oh wow, like she can get to that red moving average. If she break that little line I got right now. Under. All right, so I just can't wait for that pullback. This could be that pullback and then do the continuation. I don't see her buying long term. I mean selling long term right now. Yeah, me either. I think I really want her to go back. I want her to go back to that high. She just came back and retest. Yeah, she just came back and retest. I don't see the sell. She got a big pullback on the 4 hours, but I don't see the sell on the 4 hours. You know what I'm saying? Not even a day. I don't even see the sell.
She basically right now she got the previous, well, she like halfway with the daily count stick. Well, with clothes almost. Oh, you got a clothes.
I don't know. She testing the hell out this. She testing this bank level, but I think she gonna sell.
I mean, she can go down to that 4 hour that 4 hour I seen this setup too. I seen that she was gonna go up with it. In the 5 minutes, show that she was slanted to go down, follow the higher time frame. Oh, bitch. Put that out, folks. Shit. That beautiful, right? She gave out the cheese. 15 minutes, she gave out the head and shoulder. I would have caught that fucker. I would have returned. It's all right. I'm at 10 o'clock. She got me.
I think she might go back down to 30,000. What the fuck we are at? Oh, these are 10-cent lot sizes. Damn, I did not know that.
0.10.
I wasn't trying to do that, but you know.
That was a beautiful drop right there.
Random line switches. I'm just looking to scale into this. We can continue to drop. Yeah, this bitch can go either way. We at a bank level. That bitch can go either way. Honestly, that bitch can go either way. It's at an area of support. Same area it bought from last week. So if I lose this trade, I wouldn't be mad. Just gotta pick a side and stick to it. And pick your side and stick to it. Make sure you ain't over risking. It's at 30 minutes. So a nice ass fucking rejection candle or exhaustion candle. A previous 30-minute candle. The 1 hour close bearish. See if that bitch can make the lower low. Break this level, then I'm gonna get out. Let's say market close over this level. It's 50 pips. About my stop loss anyway. There we go. The market is pretty much back at this wall, which if it closes over this wall, then I'm gonna close out these sales. But right now, this wall is holding, which is a minor bank level, 30,300. It closes over this bitch, I'm out. But it looks like it's trying to hold that bitch. There we go. 15-minute candles rejecting. Let's see how this bitch close. Bank levels holding though. 50 bank levels holding like a motherfucker.
I'm trying to see if she gonna respect this level. Give it a heck of a shot. She can bounce off the cloud and go up. But she don't, she'll come back down. And retest.
Alright, she about to close over this fucking. Fuck. See, liquid be with the bullshit sometimes, bro.
When you watch trucks park, you go to the ground, move the other trucks over and shit. I hook the trailer up, you know how to do that? Don't fuck they get sitting there, what?
Damn. I had to use the bathroom again, y'all. What the fuck? Fucking detox on my ass.
You probably see it, Trent. Good morning, y'all, by the way.
Why you did that? Man, my little wall holding. Who said I was sick? What y'all talking about?
Me.
Nah, I'm detoxing. I ain't fit. It's the first of the month, so I'm trying to go into the new month.
Okay.
Let's go.
Damn, Nat. Oh my gosh, look at fucking ass. Yep, I'm out of these fucking. That bitch shooting. That bitch is shooting. That bitch is shooting.
You want to put it in the tank? I can put it in the tank. I gotta make sure that's the one they want us to use. Oh, the rainwater. Yeah. Because they use it for irrigation. I don't know. Dirty water, you know, dirt. Yeah, you're right. Papi. Easy. They got peppers. I think the potatoes. Gotta lead up over there. Before that shit, all that. Motherfucker got collard greens out there, bitch. Collard greens. Right here, I'm trying to see how she gonna play this move though. That fell was beautiful though. But just knowing that how she moves, she'll do a big drop and then that'll be the pullback and then go in her right direction. She can buy all the way up, to be honest. And that could be the continuation and pass what she sold from.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you go to the 5 minutes, just stroll out, she can't pass that level down there. Pass that level.
Yeah, I think I gotta get out there. Trying to hold on and see what this bitch gonna do, but she bush. Oh Lord, look at her. Look at her. So look at me talking, and she trying to.
Not already, because she can still drop it. This is how she play out. She gonna come out around like 10:30 though. Especially if she get that push for that no counter stick. But she ain't trying to do nothing. She go on.
She gonna make you earn that bitch today, boy.
The target's over there. Why they wrong with that bitch?
$10-minute candle. Yeah, man. I feel like she gonna. I don't know. Damn. This bitch might not drop. Alright, I'm about to put my stop loss in. Pass this bitch, I'm done. I'm done hoping and wishing. She pass this bitch, I'm done. But we gonna see though. She's slowly but surely still climbing up. She did not make a lower low down this bitch. Yep, that's my ass. Yeah, that's my ass at this point. I can't fuck with her today. Nope, that sell did not work out for me. It was a good area though. It just wanted to buy. Now that trade I can't be mad at. Can't be mad at that one. The first one, I'm mad at myself at that one. But came back, retested the bank level. Looks like we're holding this bank level. And I got $64 in this bitch to make some shit shake. And if I lose this, then I'm down for the day. But we break this trend line, then I'll take a buy. I'll take a buy back up.
I'm in that bitch that buy.
You gonna buy?
She balanced that 15-minute bullet. I got in off that 15-minute bullet bin.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see that. Right at the bank level.
Yeah, I caught the whip, but then the body closed above it. So I was like, okay. I put my stop loss right under the bullet bin. Now, when she played.
Yeah.
She buy back up to the 15-minute moving averages, I'll be in good shape. Because then that means the 30-minute gonna get over that cloud. See how that 30-minute over that cloud?
Yeah. Guess I ain't tripping.
It is. Pullback gonna do it. If not, she gonna be out of the.
Yeah, she had an indecisive area, boy.
Right now I'm on $36 though. Yeah, I'm trying to see how she gonna play it out. What's that? Shit. I'll put it a little bit under my entry, but that's on the problem. Above my entry. She play out from the and I did 20.04. I ain't gonna lie. I'm up $32. I'm sure she gonna play that fine got fine. Click fine. She can take one. She
I tried to hold on to the sales as long as possible. But I just like, fuck. That bitch is not trying to fucking sell right now.
She might hear my thought lock. I got to do right for my entry. Cause she that. I'm gonna call you later on today too, Trent. I got something else I want to start doing with everybody else too.
Alright.
So we can have this shit not just the morning time, you know what I'm saying? So all throughout the day. In a certain time we go over certain things, what happened today, why did it happen, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like
why did we get in the trade?
A little recap.
So we can do bar for everybody to see and understand what we talking about.
Yeah, I fuck with that.
Yeah. I'm still in profit. She hit this and I'm still gonna be in profit. Oh my god. What's the name? Let me see. Back and she break the rest. Let me see how she play it out. She Cause if she come back down and good, that's a good value. She don't. $6 per she And then 930 get really good draw. Cause 300 stuff. Oh, I'm like, TJ, what the fuck? I'm looking at the right shit. I'm looking at the right. Bro, TJ, tripping. Got in off the bottom too. Crazy part. On NASDAQ and looking at TJ. Shit crazy. TJ trying to set it up. Yeah, she respecting that R&B, boy.
I need to turn that bitch on this morning. Damn. Look at me.
Where she at right now? She respecting it. She went a little bit under and it came right back above. She respecting the previous R&B. See what I'm saying? Let's give it that shoot. I had another intro on it. Like that. She showed me something good. I got a 0.04. I'm gonna have to go down. But I need her to retest this and start making high highs, low low. W's trying to be like first. She get over that cloud and start going up.
Damn.
Waiting on that hoe, she it's really consolidating right here in this little area. But if you draw a box at the top and the bottom, just wait for that breakout follow the higher time frame. Voila. Right now, I'm trying to rush into it. She's not really moving.
Yeah, it's Monday. It's Monday too.
Yeah, it's 12 5-minute candles like right beside each other, right off the R&B. She ain't going nowhere yet. So just don't rush. Anybody that's trying to get in the trade, don't rush. And then fuck yourself up.
Yeah, she can't do shit right now. Mm, 30-minute candle just closed. Really not showing us nothing, but we did make another higher low here though. Yeah, we might slowly bleed our way to the top. As we really wanted to drop, we would have made a lower low at these levels. So, YouTube, had to mute the chat real quick. But as y'all can see, Monday is not turning out to be the best trading day for your boy. This is just a reminder to myself that you kind of gotta. No one's gonna make you profitable, but you. And you're really not gonna become profitable until you believe that you are that guy. You know what I mean? I took the sell here on the right before the open of the candle, which everything in me told that I seem to take a buy here, end up taking a sell and getting cooked. Especially I got greedy as well, got very over risky, and took the sell here, which as you see I got burnt. And I feel like it was because the other group chats called sales. I'm like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and go extra aggressive because we all see the same thing, blah, blah, blah. But I kind of seen the buys setting up, and we were at the bank level, and we had dropped from the 500 QP as well. So everything was kind of pointing that this was already the retest, the liquidity grab at the 30,250 bank level to possibly continue to go back up. But hey, it is what it is. Lesson learned. So we're already down like 140 on the day, technically. Actually, we started our day with 260 because we won $60 on yesterday's trade. So we started the day at 260, and then we're down 64. So technically, we're down 140 overall because the $60 kind of was just extra wiggle room for today's trade. So overall, we are down 140 on the day so far. So at this point, at this point, I really am not gonna sit here and stare at this bitch because we ain't really doing nothing. And we ain't really moving. I got alerts in, but I think the safest trade would be like maybe if we break this trend line, we could take a trade. We've already tested this bank level, so anything I'll be taking it to the next bank level, which is this one here, 30,750. I don't know why it's not at the bank level. 30,750. I think that'd be like the safest A plus type of trade. If we don't make our way up there, then we could possibly look to take the sales. Again, it'll be the safest trade to be at this bank level, 30,250. We got a small trend line here on the 1 minute chart. Like I said, it's a very small one, which you can kind of get into an early entry at the break of this trend line with the light position, kind of like a high risk trade because it's not at the area of interest where I would like it to be. So for me, I'm not gonna take it, but it'll be extra confirmation once we break this trend line and then we make our way down to 30,250. And I'll look to take the sell again. And that'll be like my last trade of the day. After that, I'm cooked. And honestly, I'm at this point where I'm just trying to make back profit for the money that I lost today so I can trade tomorrow. I don't have to go back into my wallet and then add money back into my account. So every day I start my day with $200 for this very reason. One, I don't lose too much. And two, it shouldn't take a lot. It shouldn't take you to have a lot of money to make decent, satisfying profit. With $200, you can make literally when the market is moving, you can turn that into like $2,000 or $3,000. Like I've did it several times. But I've also lost $2,000 or $3,000 in a day several times. So like, how do I like control that so that doesn't happen? So I'm not losing that much money in a day. Because I start every day with a certain amount, 200, 300, 400. Depends on whatever I have, whatever I feel like trading. But it's a new month, so I'm gonna track every trade this month. That's what I am gonna do. I'm gonna track every trade or every day. I'm gonna track my profit and loss. So it's 10:40. I've been on here for an hour and some change, and the market is like still in the same spot. So I think I'm about to go to the gym. That's what I am about to do. And it still can't break this trend line. So we're gonna see. It's a small part of me still feel like this bitch is gonna sell. But I'm gonna just trade what I see, and I won't take a buy until we break my top trend line. Once we break that, then I'll take a buy. Anyway, team, I'm done for the day. I'm about to hop off. I ain't really got shit else to do but stare at this bitch. Be back on here tomorrow. Thank y'all for joining. Perk, catch up with me later, brother. Let's figure out how the hell we could turn this chat up. Anyway, all right, y'all. YouTube family, you would not believe that I have to take another pee, so I'm gonna be right back. All right, YouTube. Ah, shit. I'm back. My bad. All right, I'm doing too much. Let me put Discord down. Okay. So, another day of live trading, which I'm so proud of myself. My fault. I'm moving too much. Because there was that one point of time. Why is it like moving that slow? I guess we'll see whenever this video is done. Are we on the charger? Like we're moving way slower than normal. But anyway, I know at one point in time I couldn't trade live and take losses in front of y'all, and that was like my biggest pet peeve, that I didn't like taking losses in front of y'all. But oh well, we're back. We're here now. It took a long time to get to this point, but the market is still kind of playing around in the same area, so pretty much nothing else for me to do. Today was a total of, so it's 200 minus $64.43 minus 64.43, so $135.57 is, hold on, yeah, $135, pretty much what we are down, which is not bad, you know, not bad at all. But anyway, I think I'm gonna be jumping off of here. Today was very poor trading on the open. I should have just waited until the open, but I thought the open, I thought this was going to be like a very nice push down, but it wasn't. So I can't even be mad. We were at the bank level, but I should have traded what I seen, which was these, just to give you guys a little recap, this right here. So this bullish engulfing candle right here should have kind of steered me away from the sales at this very moment. So we had it right here shown on a 3-minute chart, and we also had it on the 5-minute. We get the bullish. It wasn't an engulfing, but it was a bearish candle followed by a bullish candle. I forgot what this is called, but this is called some pattern anyway. But these two candles should have let me know right then, like, hey, you kind of don't want to sell, especially at this bank level. When this bank level held and price shot up. Now, granted, it didn't shoot all the way up to my potential TP area, which would have been the 500. So I kind of probably wouldn't even still won this trade, even if I got in on the buys, or I would probably just be still holding, just because my TP is usually 250 points. So I'd have probably just been still holding this trade, or probably end up making them break even, whatever the case is. I don't know how my mental would have been at this very moment. But anyway, another happy day trading. Like I said, it's just Monday, so we're not gonna do too much. Kind of set the tone for the rest of the week, and make sure that we are ready to go tomorrow. So all in all, what we don't want to do is we don't want to lose a lot of money on a Monday and mess up our mental going into the rest of the week, or you know what I mean. So it's all about just knowing how to maintain your trading, especially early in the week. Monday is usually a choppy day. This is a typical Monday, where Monday is choppy, it's kind of in direction, and unless every now and again you'll get some good Mondays, but it's not as often as choppy Mondays. So you just got to be prepared for that. This is why I start my day with a little account. But if you found any value to this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to your boy. Hit that bell notification as well, so you can get uploaded every time I drop a live session. If you want to join the little account in our Discord and talk, get more, in depth, make sure you hit the link. There should be a link in the description with the link to get added to the little account. But until next time, it's Don't Play Trent. I'm checking out. See y'all on the next one.